In front I have Viofo A119 V2. This unit is with a GPS module. You can see in front where the power cable is connected. Then the cable is routed via roof material here. It's coming here, and then you can see the cable here. It's visible here, and then again it's hidden here. I'm hiding the cable here. It goes all the way down there under the gloves box. It's slightly visible here, and then it is again routed under the glove box, and finally it is coming out here. The clips provided by Viofo, I have used 2 of those, and then finally you can see it is connected to the 12-volt socket, 2 USB ports for my 2 dash cams. I have 70 MAI as my rear dashcam. Rear unit require a little longer cable, so I had to use one extra USB extension cable. I'll show you how the cable is routed from rear to front 12-volt socket. So you can see this is the cable here, slightly hidden, and I use the tabs to secure it. Then I have kept some extra cable here, like U-shape, to allow the door to open and close without any problem. You can see this cable hanging here, allowing that extra space to open the door easily. Then cable is hidden here, inside this, all the way this way, and again I have hidden inside this plastic. Cable is routed via this door rubber beading, and this is coming inside this all the way to down there, and then I am using one USB extension cable here. So this cable is going, extension cable is going under this seat, and then finally it is coming out here, and it is connected to the same 12-volt socket where I have the front camera connected. Removing the front camera is really easy because it is connected to the GPS unit. I can just unplug the camera by sliding it upward. You can see I have easily removed the camera. You can see the connectors. And to put it back also is really easy. Just place it at the right place and then slide it down. It's done. To remove this rear camera, it's not plug and play. I'll have to remove this small nut bolt here, and then I'll have to remove this cable also, and then I can take out the camera.